Welcome back. It's the weekend, the weather is nice, that means it's time to work on more stuff. Today on the menu we have this. These are a set of Cybo frame rail braces. We'll be adding those to the car to increase the stiffness of the chassis. Cybo claims around 30% increase, which I don't know, sounds like a lot. But I'm mostly adding them for protection. The frame rails on the MX-5 are notoriously weak and the car is very low to the ground, so this should help protect the underside as well. It involves drilling into the bottom of the car, which I'm not really looking forward to, but I don't have a choice. So, well, let's get the car up in the air and see what can be done. So, seats are out, the carpet is tied together up here. I had to remove the 4 bolts for the seat, some of the trim, and the seat belt down here on both sides. I will start on the driver's side here, since on the passenger side there's all the lines. So, well, let's get drilling. Also, for some reason, this area was wet a bit. Unsure why. Nothing otherwise is wet, so must have been some previous leak maybe. But now it can dry out, so hopefully that will be fine. Here we can see the frame rail. It has scraped previously a little over here, and some very minor as well over here. They don't seem to be severely dented like some I've seen in some other videos. This bolt looks a little crooked, but the shape seems to be normal, maybe. It is the same on the opposite side. So yeah, I hope it doesn't really need any hammering to fit the bracing. We'll find out. First I'll add some paint and some protection over here, and then we can fit the brace and see how it lines up. So previously exposed areas covered. Now the brace can go on and we can start drilling. Not really looking forward to it. I've got a 6.5 mil drill bit, since the bolts are 6 mil and the holes are ever so slightly bigger, so this should be just fine. Here goes. I finished drilling the holes on this side. I added paint to the openings and dropped in the bolts, ready to mount them on the bottom. Here is the passenger side, where all the brake lines and all that are running as well. I cut down the bolts so it doesn't grind down the lines, risking any possible leaks and all that. And here is the driver's side all finished up as well. Looks good to me. Well, I realized while editing that I forgot to record an outro for this video, so I have to do this quite a while later. Not too long video. I didn't want to bore you with drilling 20 holes. I'm sure it's very obvious, and this isn't a how-to video anyway, so a nice upgrade. The steering response is absolutely better, and with the car being as low to the ground as mentioned in the intro, it has already protected the car on multiple occasions. I should maybe raise the rear a bit, but I don't know, I like the way that it looks right now. As long as the plates do a good job, then I guess it is acceptable. I didn't enjoy drilling into the car, as you can probably imagine, but the result is nice. So yeah, join me again next time, where we'll, I don't know, do something else. See you there.